Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix system UI is not responding problem on any HyperOS phone. Now first of all, make sure that you delete any unwanted third-party apps on your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the app drawer. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app icon and tap on delete. Just like that. Now once you have done that, the second step is to open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, just tap on the three dots icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on show all apps. Now once you have done that, just search Android setup. Now from here, tap on Android setup. Now from here, tap on clear cache. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, go back. Now from here, just search System Launcher. Now if you're using a Poco phone, the system launcher is called Poco Launcher on the Poco phones. Just like that, just tap on Poco Launcher. Now from here, tap on Clear Data. Now from here, tap on Clear All Data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back and search Security. Now from here, tap on the Security app. Now from here, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, just press and hold on the power button to reboot your smartphone.
Here are some results from the web.
Now from here, just swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone and to fix the system UI problem on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. And this is how you can fix the system UI is not responding problem on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.